A few months ago, there were reports about the upcoming Galaxy S24 series having a feature similar to the iPhone that allows emergency texting through satellite connectivity. Recent leaks have now confirmed that the Galaxy S24 does have this emergency texting feature using satellites. A recent picture from a Galaxy phone shows a new feature that Samsung might name emergency text via satellite, expected to launch with the Galaxy S24. Samsung explains that if you're in a place without a mobile signal and call for emergency help, the phone will use a satellite network to connect you, allowing you to send an emergency text. This feature is expected to function similarly to recent iPhones. You can send text messages with your location to emergency teams so they can locate you and provide assistance. It would be useful in situations where you're in a remote area and can't reach your family, friends, or emergency services through a regular cell network. This feature is likely to be on Galaxy S24 phones with Exynos and Snapdragon chips. Samsung created a new technology called 5G and 10, which allows two-way communication through satellites. This technology follows the standards set by 3GPP and might be included in the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra phones. However, it might first be available in certain places before reaching other countries slowly. Also, there's a new rumor about the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen. A source, Ahmed Quater, suggests that its brightness could reach up to 2,600 nits, which is brighter than what was previously rumored, 2,500 nits. They're all three phones in the lineup: Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Achieving this brightness might happen briefly during certain scenes, especially in HDR content. To put it in perspective, the Galaxy S23 series had a peak brightness of 1,750 nits in HDR scenes. If the rumor is true, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could have Samsung's brightest screen ever, surpassing the iPhone 15 Pro, 2,000 nits, and the Google Pixel 8 Pro, 2,400 nits. However, it's important to note that brightness isn't perceived linearly. A small increase in nits doesn't mean the screen looks twice as bright. What are your thoughts on today's video? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.